This is pretty much the home screen of the AI application. This is a AI template based. All you have to pretty much do is just upload a photo of your face, or maybe a photo of your full body, or maybe a photo of you and your partner or couple. Yeah, basically. So you have a lot of templates which you can use in this application. Not gonna kid you, one of the best I've come across as it relates to templates. You have quite a lot of cool templates which you can use with this application here. As you can see, you can scroll and look for what you want. You have the image to video clip option here. Turn selfies into viral clips. You have some other templates which you can use here. As you can see, you have a lot of them which you can use. So you have the discover section here, you have the style section, you have a lot of different options you can use as well. You have the AI art option, you have the 3D cartoon option, you have a lot of options which you can use, and also the popular one as well, which was trending, which is the action figure here. And you have a lot of other options as it relates to video as well. As you can see here, these are pretty much the results of you using their styles, and you will get pretty much these effects when using their style. So very easy. All you have to do is just upload a video or image of yourself and you pretty much get these results. So let's say you want to use any one of these templates here. All you have to do is just tap on whichever one you want to use. Let's say, for example, this one here which says wish. And as well, it do tell you how much coins you're going to need to generate this AI video here using your video. So do keep that in mind as well. Once you do tap on the generated option, it will pretty much redirect it to your storage section, and it will let you select the video that you want to pretty much get results like this. Very simple. So that's really pretty much it. You do have to make sure that you do have the required amount of coins to be able to carry out this process. As well, you do have the pack section here. We have a lot of AI templates you can use. They are sectionized, and I would say that the luxury pack, where you get a pack of photos of you. All you have to do is just pretty much upload a picture of yourself, as you can see here, for example, and you have a pack of luxury photo, which is very cool, I'm not gonna lie. And it will just pretty much show here, similar to this here, a pack of them. And as well, yeah, the wrap section here, if you do tap on this option, it will pretty much show you how it looks once you've uploaded the image of yourself. It will pretty much turn the photo like this. It's very, very simple. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And you can tap on the profile icon at the top here, and you can go to this section here to pretty much get your subscription. So I'm not sure about the coin section for this application, but you do get the subscription separately, which pretty much unlocks exclusive templates and so forth. So that's really pretty much it for that. For the coin section, I'm not sure about that, guys. So I can't really tell you much about the coin section. And here you have some other section here. These are pretty much the similar things that have pretty much the template section. If you do tap on each China option, it will just redirect you to the template section. But as it relates to the coins for this here, I don't know where is the coin section for this. So I'm not sure if you do get this when you do get the subscription, or if you do log in, you get the option to the coins, but I'm not sure. If you guys find out that, just let me know. And as well, if any experience at all you have with this application, any troubles, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if I can help you out as well. See you in the next one.